An adorable feline was given 4 3D-printed prosthetic paws. A Russian White House given a cat ravaged by frostbite a new lease of life by amputating her dead limb and giving her 4 prosthetic paws. The adorable cat was on the brink of death in 2018 after being struck outdoors for a long period of time in the Siberian winter. Severe ice burns meant that veterinarians had to amputate all 4 paws as well as cut off her dead ears and most of her tail. The veterinarian Dr. Gorshkov says there are like 2 scenarios. Either she ran away or she fell out of the window. Unfortunately, frostbite in animals is a very real problem in Siberia. It took 7 months for the feline to fully recover from her large operation, but she is now believed to be back to full fitness and adapting well to her new form of walking. She has also found her forever home in the form of the women who first found her on the brink of death in the Siberian snow.